Today we have a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is entitled "Couple Picked a Fight with the Wrong Officers."
No, you're stepping outside. Come here. Come here.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Please do not. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back now. Turn around. Stop it.
Put your hands behind your back. You're gonna get tased.
On October 5th, police were called to a gas station after a customer assaulted a staff member. Upon confrontation, she refuses to cooperate and becomes combative with officers, turning the situation into a forceful arrest.
All right, well, we're not gonna be playing these games. Right now I'm investigating. Time out. You came at me.
Don't walk up on me.
You came up.
Don't walk up on me. You got your body cam on?
Yes, it is on.
Okay, don't play with me.
I'm asking a question and you're yelling. All right.
I said I don't want to talk to you.
Doesn't matter.
I don't have to.
You told me you were involved. All right. I am involved. I'm investigating a battery.
What's a battery? Battery in what?
You want to tell me what happened? If you're not involved, then start walking away before I lock you up. You want handcuffs on you? No, you're stepping outside. Come here. Come here.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Get back.
Don't touch me.
Put your hands behind your back.
Put my hands behind me.
Get back.
Calm down. Don't touch me. Calm down. Look, you interrupt. All right.
Please do not. Stop. Stop.
Put your hands behind your back.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Stop.
Don't touch me. Send the units now. Send the units now.
Put your hands behind your back. I will stop once you put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Get back. No.
Now.
That's it. Get off. What you want? Shoot me? I ain't getting nothing. You're not a police right now.
Get back.
Now. Nigga, he hit our hand to the fucking goddamn thing. To the head and to the side. Stop. Stop. You bitch. You just kicked my court. Let go now. That's what I told you. Stop. To the side. Stop. Stop. You bitch.
Get back. Get back. Stop moving. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Please call Reese. Call Reese right now. Call my attorney. He arrested me for no reason. He had no proof. Call Reese right now. I'm not playing.
Dude, what? Dude, what?
He sure did. He sure did.
Stand up.
He hit in the face. He hit the face with the side.
Stand up.
Stand up for what?
Stand up. I'm
Yeah,
helping
offer me.
you.
I'll help myself up. Please don't touch me.
Dude, what? Dude, what? You already kicked her in the face. He hit her face with the side. You kicked her in the face. He hit her face with the side. Back him away.
Stand up.
You did enough. I'm calling my attorney.
Stand up.
You did enough. I am an attorney. Why am I being arrested? Why am I being arrested? Can you tell me that? Why am I being arrested? Come get my keys. Come get my keys in my pocket.
Nobody's getting anything.
Yes, it is. My kids is in the car. She need my keys. My kids is in the car. You arrested me for no reason. You are get your elbows off. What the hell? Jay, stop.
Get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car now. Good.
Stop, Jay, the kids.
Put him in cuffs. No, you're done. We're not listening.
Put your hands on your back now. Turn around. Stop resisting.
Put your hands behind your back. You're gonna get tased.
You are gonna get tased. I took off my
Get out of the car. Put your hands behind your back. You're gonna get tased. Put your hands.
Put your hands back.
1713 County. Taser deployed.
For no reason. Shut up.
2145.
You look like cuffs now.
No, stay there and be quiet for a minute.
I can't believe this thing.
Look at that. In order for him to put his hands behind his back, it takes a little shock therapy. Ain't that something? I was waiting for them to get him because the whole time I could understand you being frustrated, your lady being taken away. That's all understandable. But the one in the yellow handled it a little bit better. She has a lot. She's hooting and hollering and whatever, but she has a reasonable distance away versus this guy who is literally right. You keep talking about don't touch me. Don't touch me. Well, back up. You keep moving forward. I'm going to touch you. I'm going to put my hands on you. If you keep inching forward to the situation with us trying to deal with her, I'm going to touch you. So it is what it is. reasonable distance. You can still say your frustrations and not agree with it or whatever. You think your lady is in the right, or the cops is, I hate police and all that, whatever you want to hoot and holler. But a reasonable distance. If not, gonna have to get you together, my brother. Got to get you together. You know what I'm saying? You not acting right. You not acting right, man. See, the other lady in the yellow, she got the memo. She got the memo. All they had to do was tell her one time. Back up, do, or you getting locked up. You can. They only had to tell her one time, and she got it together. Oh yeah, hold on, boy. I'm not going. This guy, you know what I'm saying? This is crazy, man. Crazy.
Well, we can't believe you didn't listen.
I need water.
You're gonna need a lot more. Shut up.
I have physical condition. You have a physical condition. Yeah, you're being extremely confrontational. Stop. You should have stopped when I asked you the first time. It was unnecessary. You're unnecessary. All right. Now, you're not my let's go, please. Okay, breathe. Okay, breathe. Okay, breathe. Sit him up. Okay, breathe. That's unnecessary. Dirt. Slow down, dirt. 13, what's the dirt? That was unnecessary. Water.
What have you said us?
Got some water. I need some water.
Don't worry about that.
I have a physical heart shot you with the damn table.
Hey, here's the deal. Fire department's here to take you out, so we'll move that out real quick.
What? You fucked up my leg. My leg already fucked up. That's all. Well, what do you know? That's what I'm saying. Well, what do you know? Listen, I have this left leg is already up.
Okay, so this right leg, bend your knees, put your foot on the ground.
Need water, man.
All right, on three.
Now you gotta use all your muscle. Come on, help. Okay, well,
You gotta put your foot on the ground, not underneath your ass. Bend your
all
knees.
right, you don't have to holler.
Bend your knees.
I'm glad you.
What's up? We have.
How old's the kids? I have a 1-year-old and a 5-year-old. They won't let me see the
Were you involved in an accident?
No, he tried to hit my car, but it don't even matter now. I'm calling my attorney.
Okay,
He just assaulted me for no reason.
That's fine.
So I'm calling my attorney.
Listen, put that
I'm calling my father. My father is
that's
an
fine.
attorney.
That's fine. Put that
So please,
listen.
let your body cam footage
It's
please
on
roll.
body cam. Can you listen to me for a second?
Ain't nothing
All
to
right.
listen about.
Whatever just happened out here, let's put that aside for a
There
minute.
ain't no putting that shit aside.
You
didn't want to listen
were
to me
you
when you pulled
involved
up.
in
You
an
came
accident?
aggressive.
Were
Because you
you-
wanted to be racist. You
No.
wanted to pick a side
No.
because it was a white man that called on me
No.
and I didn't do shit.
No, I don't know.
That's what you did. You came and slammed me by
No.
the door, grabbed me, then your homie kicked me in my fucking face. I'm a woman.
Okay,
Regardless of how you feel about me,
Okay.
I'm not race. I'm a woman.
let's.
I have 2 kids in my car.
Were you involved in an accident?
I'm a fucking registered nurse.
The women always think that, man. Oh, man, she's a nurse. Oh, man, we know it. Oh, no. Oh, man, I was going to go on a whole nother thing, and then we get, oh, man. No wonder. Now I get it. Oh, man, this is crazy here. This is crazy. Man, oh, man. Listen, first off, just because you're a woman does not mean that you're not going to get any act right. Okay? That does not mean that. Okay? It's not, oh, we can only get guys together. No. It's equal. It's equal, right? Equality, equal. Everyone's the same. Got to get everyone together the same way. Wasn't she walking off or something like that? And then they had to get her together, detain her. Yeah. That's how that whole thing started. You guys both get it. Just like you got it, your boyfriend get it. That's the same way. Oof, another one of them nurses. Okay. All right.
Were you involved in an accident?
And that's pathetic. You got 2 kids in the car and you acting like this?
Regardless of how you feel about me,
Okay.
I'm not race. I'm a woman.
Let's.
I have 2 kids in my car.
Were you involved in an accident?
I'm a fucking registered nurse. All I was trying to do was get some gas, go
Were you
home.
involved in an accident?
No, I did
or
not hit nobody's car. Nobody hit my car. He
Okay,
tried to crash
that's all I
into
want to
me.
know.
I'm going to that car to go put eyes on these kids and
Okay.
see how they're doing.
Okay.
If she has somebody that can be with the kids, is your sister here?
Yes.
Okay, can we sort that out? Because if there's 2 kids in the car at a gas pump, I'd like to address
Yeah,
that. I know
yeah.
you guys got a bunch
So,
of other stuff. But I just want to make sure these guys are good.
So he was not here for any of this. He showed up after the fact.
Who is who?
That is the boyfriend of the sister, who who was not in the vehicle at all. So the two sisters with the kids was in the car, and they pulled into the gas station. They probably didn't signal fast enough or whatever, but the car behind them started honking.
So is this a 1050?
So this is a road rage.
So she said they did not get into an accident.
Yeah, it's a road rage because the two sisters pulled into the gas station, and then they were wailing on the horn behind them, like whatever. Maybe they didn't signal fast enough or stop too fast. He gets so the male driver of the other vehicle gets out, throws a glass bottle at the car. We've got damage on that vehicle and glass shattered all over it. And then the sister gets out who was driving, and the two male and female passenger driver get out, start whooping on the sister. She just tried to break it up. She never swung on anybody. She threatened to mace them.
She did.
She didn't swing on anybody. She broke it up.
Okay.
She threatened to mace them when they wouldn't stop whooping on the sister. So it was 2 against 1. She didn't hit anybody.
So who's the one whooping on who?
That would have been the sister got into her. They attacked her.
Them over there got tapped.
The original caller,
Who's over there?
nobody was there. They left. So I think they're the ones that started it, and then they fled.
I need to lean on you because my hands is tied behind me.
Break my back.
Well, this is what I'm telling you. My leg, pull my pants leg, pull it up. It's up, not because you need to understand this shit. So my leg is up real bad, right? So I can't just walk from this far distance. They taking sweet baby Jesus away. Let's check it out. They tased me for no reason. I did nothing wrong. I broke no laws. I don't know. Can I have a bottle of water? They didn't want to give me no water. They beat her up in front of me. They probably gonna try to kill me. Take a picture of me. Take a picture of me because they probably gonna try to kill me. They tased me, man, for no reason. Take a picture of me because they already demons, they devils, and I did nothing wrong. These men beating on her. She was bleeding. The motherfucker bastard kicked her in the face. I did nothing wrong. I promise. I ain't did shit wrong. Now how am I supposed to get in this? You got a bottle of water in your car? No. They don't even give me no water, man. So why am I being arrested for? For obstructing. Obstructing.
Because you came to all these
arrest. Yeah, but I'm supposed to just write that up. I ain't got no extension.
We're gonna write it up.
How am I obstructing when y'all tase me? We're not gonna argue here on the street. That's recorded.
Jay.
You're right. Yep.
Jay.
Go ahead and sit out.
Please.
Nah, don't worry about it. It's gonna be all right. I love you. They fucked up. They tased me.
Watch your matter station.
Because my injuries. How is your injury for me to take your shoes off? My feet. I can't walk. I got special inserts. I recently got brace on my leg.
That's fine.
I can show you my leg.
That's fine. We're done. General search. Faster we move, the faster we get them out here.
Okay. Yeah. You get out of here.
The suspect was charged with assault, resisting arrest, battery on an officer, and disorderly conduct. Her partner was charged with resisting arrest, battery on an officer, and disorderly conduct. If you enjoyed this video,
savages, man. Jesus. Oh my God. You can't even talk to these people without all of this. All the officer is trying to do is talk and figure out the story. Why do we got to go through all of this to not get the story until afterwards? If somebody else started with you and this is a road rage, we finally get the only one that was calm, cool, and collected for the most part was the lady in the yellow, who I guess was the sister or whatever that was, whatever. But damn, that's all the officers show up. He trying to get both sides of the story. Let me figure it out. Let's see what's going on. Oh, they took off. You know, the cops already figured out that these are the ones that probably started it. But you can't even talk to these guys to get that far. Because they just want to start acting like an asshole for no reason. I don't get it, man. I really don't get it. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.